animals, and I am a magical unicorn. How are you all? Good! Would you help me today? I have some magic that I need to do. I would like to magic some animals behind my colourful fairy doors. Look behind me. Wow! How many doors are there? Let's use my helper, the hand. Come on, hand. Oh, and we're going to count how many doors there are. Would you help me? Yay! Let's count. Let's start over there. Here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 doors. Do you know what colours they are? Let's use my helper hand to point to the doors again. Over here we have green, yellow, red, blue, pink and orange. What's your favourite colour? Mine is pink! Yeah! Well, now it's time to make some magic. Would you help me? Great! I'm going to create some magic and open the door and see what's behind the doors. First, we need to use my magical unicorn words. And do you know what they are? They are twinkle, twinkle, sparkles, sprinkles! Ooh, the glitter is everywhere. So sparkly. So, let's open the green door. But first, we need to say those magic words. Are you going to help me? Yes! Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkles, sprinkles! Hands, open the green door. Oh, I wonder what's inside. Wow! Does anybody know what this animal is? That's right! It's a panda! Oh, he's so cute! Nice panda! Wow, the magic worked! Now we need to open up our next door. And it's the colour yellow. Hands, let's close the green door. That's it. Are you ready to make some more magic, everyone? Yes! Let's say those magic words. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle, sprinkle! Wow, let's open the door, Hans. Here comes. Ooh. Does anybody know what this animal is? Ooh, there's the noise. It's a cow. Wow, I like cows. They make yummy milk. My magic is working with your help. I want to make more magic. Will you help me? Thank you. Hands, close the yellow door, please. Great. Now, let's say those magic words again and open the red door. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkles, sprinkles! Hands! Wow, what's inside? Ooh. It's a parrot! Wow, he's so colourful! Fly away now. Fly away, parrot. Let's close that red door now. Hands. Thank you. Now, we have 3 doors left. Let's look. We have the blue door, the pink door, and the orange door. So let's do a magical spell and open up the blue door. Are you ready, everyone? Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle, sprinkle. Oh, Hans is here. And it's a tortoise. And he has a shell on his back. He's very slow. Watch him walk away. Wow, he is slow. Time to open the pink door. Do you think the magic will still work? I hope so too. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle, sprinkle. Hands. What's inside? Wow, it's a white fluffy sheep. And he lives on the farm. Oh, wow, he's very white, just like me. Off you go, little sheep. What noise does a sheep make? Bah! I'm not a sheep. I'm a unicorn. Now, let's close that door and open our last door. It's our last door, and it's the orange door this time. Let's do our magic! Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle, sprinkle! I hope it works. Hands! Oh, I can hear something. Who knows what this animal is? That's right! It's a pig! Hello, little pig. You look like a baby pig, a piglet. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink. Oh, he's gone to find some food. Let's close that orange door. Thank you so much for helping me with my magic today. Can you join me next time where we can open more doors and find out what's behind them? Don't forget, you need to come along with your magical words ready to say. And they are twinkle, twinkle, sparkle, sprinkle! Thank you, everybody. We'll see